Have you ever wondered, why does one need to get a critical illness insurance? In this video, I will share with you some common blind spots people tend to miss out. When we have our health, it is hard to imagine how our life will be like if we were ever to fall sick. It is also something which not many of us are happy to think about and plan for the adverse event. However, not known to many, there are several possible financial costs that are associated in the unfortunate event when critical illness strikes. First, your hospitalization and medical cost. This refers to your medical bills and cost of seeking treatment. When one is critically ill, the hospital bill can stack up quite significantly. Thankfully, such expenses can be easily avoided with a comprehensive hospital insurance. Some people think that, as long as the medical costs are taken care of by a hospital insurance, there shouldn't be any more substantial expenses. However, do you know your family and your personal lifestyle may get affected as well? This is because, when you become very sick, your family members may have to sacrifice their working time to take care of you. When you are hit with a critical illness, it is unlikely that you are able to continue working. Thus, there will be a significant drop in your income. You may no longer have the energy to work till your desired retirement age, due to your deteriorated health conditions. And as a result, you are forced to retire early. Certain critical illness might cause you to be dependent on others to do basic activities. As such, you may have to hire a caregiver to assist you. At the end of the day, it is not a death sentence if one has been diagnosed with a critical illness. In fact, with the advancement of technology, the survival rate have increased significantly over the past decades. At the end of the day, one needs to understand that critical illness insurance cannot give you immunity against falling critically ill. It can definitely help you and your family overcome the financial challenges that unfortunately comes with critical illness. Without critical illness insurance, you may not die as a human, but you will die financially. So, just like what Stephen King says, there is no harm in hoping for the best, as long as you are prepared for the worst. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on like and share this video. For more content, connect with me using the link below.